for this month. I'm starting the first episode of my No Mark Art Studio. We are trying to bring out an African native chief on abstract form, on wood. This is our first day. We are bringing this live to you now from No Mark Art Studio. Thanks for viewing.